Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today I am actually out. I wanted to show you guys how simple it is to get out from behind your desk. I said that we wanted to go out and go in person. So remember, last week I showed you all about the telephone, the script. So today we're going to break it down into two. First, I want to show you that all I did was get behind my desk and I actually drove around and found a mall strip that is filled with so many stores. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Just take a look. As you can see, they're everywhere. So there's like all kinds of stores here. As you can see in my video, there is like PetSmart, there's Ross. So what I would suggest you do is first drive around till you find a place that's large like this. And then I want you to have your handy dandy pen, your yellow pen, because you're going to highlight where there's potential, your pen to actually write down. And then I want you to have your folder. So I've got my folder. Now in my folder, I'm going to have a plain piece of paper where I'm going to write down what areas I think are going to be good. Like here, they've got a PetSmart, they've got a Ross, Home Goods, retail, grocery stores, and they even have a doctor's office. So what I did was I parked in the parking lot. I drove around till I found one, and then I parked. And I have my business cards. So I'm going to show you how simple it is just to simply make sure that you are dressed appropriately. I just put on like a little business dress that I wear out. I would suggest also, if you want to put on your uniform shirt with some khakis, no jeans, but be as professional as possible. And then you're gonna simply do like I'm doing, and that is going to be to start walking around. And you're just gonna walk until you find an area that you want to walk into. And I'm going to actually show you a couple of areas that I think are great. So if I had to choose between these, I would go with the PetSmart. The PetSmart is really, and you can see Home Goods behind me, but they have a PetSmart over in the corner. And like I said, next week I'm going to actually go into it. Now what I want you to prepare so that you're ready for next week. Today I just wanted to show you getting out and about is so important. So next week we are going to actually go into the locations. I am going to have in the link below what you need to make sure you bring with you so that when you're going into the locations, you're ready. So this is what you're going to do. This week, your assignment is to drive around and find a large area, retail. we're going to do some post-construction. I'm going to walk up to a couple of post-construction sites, introduce myself so that way you can see in action what you can do to make sure that you are doing the in-person piece. Then we're going to do the email, and then we're going to do the actual mail outs. So you're going to have all pieces, and the last is going to be finding a referral for you. So we're going to have the T for telephone, the I for in-person, which we're talking about now. We're going to break that down into two sections because I've got to give you some homework to do. The M is going to be for the mail outs, the E is going to be for email, and last is R, timer. So that way you are actually getting out and getting involved, getting the work. I have a lot of people that say, I don't want to get a lead gen, but how do I get contracts? This is one of the ways. You get out, you get dressed, you go into your neighborhood and get busy. Just that simple. So I am now going to make sure that I give you a couple of pointers. Number one, drive around first, and then I want you to choose maybe 20. Do some due diligence. Look to see how long the company's been in business. If it's a small company, if it's a larger company like a Ross or a PetSmart, you don't need to do that. But you want to think of something that you are going to really hone in. I suggest that you look at how well you do your cleaning, because when you walk in and you're asking for the managers, what you're going to see the next time we do it, I'm going to actually go into a couple of these places, no appointment, and let you see exactly how it works. Some people say, hey, I'm sorry, you're going to have to leave, but we're going to do it together. I'll give you the behind the scenes look into what we need to do. So for now, that's going to be it. Click the description below so that way you can actually see what your assignment is, which is to find a location like this. I want you to have your business cards, have at least 50. And I want you to practice your script, which is your differentiator. So I want you to practice what it is about your company that's going to make you really feel like you're standing out. And that is going to be the assignment. And next time, we're going to actually walk around together, go behind the scenes. I'm going to walk into a couple places and introduce myself and go in like I was trying to get a walkthrough or set up a walkthrough for the next time. So until next time, I'll see you soon. This is Mrs. M on location. And I'm so excited for us to do this appointment challenge. And if you are interested in what you need to do to grow your business, whether it's government to 6 figures or commercial, make sure you click the link to actually go to our free workshop where I go into all of this and more. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.